India's brightest young minds are shaping the future of science, and you could be one of them. Welcome to Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan, India's largest national science talent search examination. Organized by Vijana Bharti in collaboration with NCERT and NCSM, VVM is designed to identify and nurture the scientific spirit in students from classes 6 to 11. Whether you're passionate about physics, chemistry, biology, or mathematics, this is your stage to shine. VVM is a digital-based examination, conducted completely online through a Windows or Android app. It's accessible, fun, and deeply rewarding. Our mission is to ignite curiosity, provide hands-on exposure, and support budding scientists like you. VVM follows a multi-level selection process to recognize top talents across India. School level, top 3 students per class receive merit certificates. District level, another round of merit certificates for top 3 students. State level, top 20 students per class are invited to state camps, with top 3 winning cash prizes of 5,000, 3,000, 2,000 rupees respectively. National level, top 2 students per class per state advance to national camp, where winners receive cash prizes plus internships and Bhaskara scholarships along with NCSM membership. VVM isn't just another exam, it's a challenge that prepares you for real-world problem solving. Section A consists of 40 MCQs to be solved in 30 minutes. While Section B consists of 60 MCQs to be solved in 60 minutes. The state camp tests your applied knowledge, while the national camp is designed to enhance creativity and leadership skills. Winners also gain exclusive research internships through the Srijan program. Imagine working alongside scientists from ISRO, DRDO, CSIR. How cool is that? And if you are a national winner, you receive the prestigious Bhaskara scholarship of 2,000 rupees per month for an entire year. Science isn't just about equations and experiments, it's about thinking big. Register for India's largest national science talent search examination 2025, challenge yourself, and get ready to explore the future. Sign up today for VVM, and take your first step toward an incredible journey in science. The registration fee for this exam by VVM is just 200 rupees per student, an affordable step towards a future filled with scientific discovery. Recognized as India's largest national science talent search examination 2025, VVM continues to inspire young minds across the nation, so please don't miss this opportunity to be part of something extraordinary. Because the future belongs to those who dare to explore. You can contact here for more details.